I decided last night that I was going to rip up my flooring in my kitchen and put new stuff in. So this morning at 7 a.m., Carson, you're okay, bud. At 7 a.m., I went to Home Depot and got some flooring that I wanted, and I started putting it in. This is all I've gotten so far, but I've been trying to rip all this stuff off. I'm ripping off 2 layers of flooring, and the second layer is very hard to get off, so wish me luck. So the kids are just waking up from a nap right now. I have been constantly working on this floor. Like, I have been working so hard, I forgot to pump until it was like 5.5 hours later. Then I finally pumped, thank goodness. But, so I have this done. Oops. And then I have underneath our stove done. And then I have first floor and part of the second floor ripped out. My fingers are like raw, and I am not even halfway done, so hopefully they don't get too raw towards the end of this. Hey guys, a little update. Okay, if you can see, I moved our fridge, so it was right there. And I'm starting to rip up the flooring there. And I got a little helper. And I got all this done. So I'm getting there. Carson is napping. This is just a little bit more work than anticipated. But that's fine because it's starting to look really nice. Like, it looks so nice. So I'm glad I'm doing it. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Ooh, don't mind my face here. And my clothes. Husband's shirt, because all my clothes are downstairs and I didn't even want to try to go downstairs this morning. I have something in my eye too. So I am very sore. My hands hurt so bad from doing this. And I am like a little over halfway done, I want to say. So I still have to do that little black area. I did this little kitchen part, except for like underneath, like there. Just kidding, sorry. There, like there. I have this little part done. I did underneath the fridge. Don't mind my dog's muddy footsteps. I have started doing the closet, and then don't mind this whole messy area. This is everything that was like in that closet, and I still have to do this whole area. So, oh, I'm so over this, but it was like looking really well, so I'm glad I did it. Yeah, wish me luck. See him. say hi? That's you. Yeah, buddy, is that you? You guys, it is 6 in the morning on... Hi, Sam. Hi. It is... Why? It's 6 in the morning. Samson. On Sunday, I am like, oh, Sam. Oh my goodness. Sam. Oh my God, Sam, back up. Okay. That's what happens when you have a huge dog. It's 6 in the morning on Sunday. I literally just got up and pumped not that long ago and figured I would quick come down here before I took a shower and stuff to try to finish this flooring. It is now day 4. We've been yesterday I didn't even work on it because we were so busy. But I'm almost done. I have this chunk right here. This side has been giving me such a problem because this flooring, this second layer flooring, will not come up. It is so, like, it's just stuck down to the floor. So I am struggling with trying to get it up. I'm hoping I can get it done today because that would be super nice. But I still have to go grocery shopping, which I don't normally go grocery shopping on Sunday. I normally go on Friday. I don't know why I didn't. I think I was probably busy. I've been so busy lately. Whatever. So I need to go grocery shopping, and then we were gonna head to Fargo so we could go to Sam's Club quick because we're almost out of wipes, which is insane just because, oh, sorry, there's something in my eye. Okay. It's like insane because we had so many wipes before Carson. I haven't bought wipes since before Carson was born. So easily a year and a half ago is the last time I bought wipes because I went crazy and bought like, I don't even know, 4 or 5 boxes of wipes from Sam's Club thinking I would need them all. And it has now been almost a year and a half later and I still have not used them all, but our stockpile for wipes is getting low. So I would like to just go up and grab some since we can. But my goal for today is just to try to get this flooring done, which I hope I can because right after Sam's Club we have to go out to my parents' house because we've been helping my dad set up his swing set. Oh my gosh, I'm just like not here. We're helping him set up his swing set for the boys, so it's been fun. So yeah, that's about what I'm doing right now. The floors are officially done. I did pretty much the whole thing myself except for this tiny little area. Don't mind the messy kitchen. I'm still trying to clean up from spending so much time on these stupid floors. I just washed them. I am so excited they turned out so great. All right. Carson, can you say bye? Can you say bye-bye? No. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys in my next vlog.